Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So just wanted to do a little update video on my Bianchi restoration project. Now, if you remember, I'm gonna link it in the at the end of the video. I had the very ugly hoods, so the brake shoes on my Shimano 600 brake levers, and I was looking down in order to get the Shimano ones, and guess what? These are used slightly, but the brand new ones are going from 50 to about 70 American dollars. Now, keep in mind, some of you were commenting on my Shimano 600 parts list that my prices were not accurate. Let me just specify that these are very sought after. After all, they're limited production, so it's a supply versus demand. And these were made in Japan. I don't know if they still make them or not. So you're gonna pay the premium for these. So if you do have them, make sure you take care of them, because someone that I know called me, and I went down and I had a couple of beers with him, and he handed me these two that I restored nicely, cleaned a little bit, and installed them. Now, speaking about the second part of the video, how I put them on, let me give you a little tip. Now, the first thing that I would do, in case if they're a little hard, you want to loosen them up with some hair dryer. And once you're done with that, this is what I used to get them on pretty smooth. You see, I have some Aveeno hand cream. You see, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just take some cream and you're gonna dab it inside. So what that will do, it will slide onto the lever, very easy. So again, just like a little bit like this, and slide it inside here. So go inside nicely, put it in there, and then just let it slide on. Again, make sure that this is a little warm. So that's why I said use the hair dryer and get them on pretty nicely. Because like you have seen, if you rip them, you're gonna have to buy the new ones. And the new ones are going to be very pricey if you've been following Shimano original parts. So again, I just wanted to give you a little sweet little update on my Bianchi that I've done some cosmetic restoration. Really love the bike. It came with a chrome fork. I'm definitely starting to ride it, and that's pretty much that. So again, some Aveeno cream and the hair dryer to get it soft, and then easy to get them on. Hope you found this useful, and it definitely transformed the look of the bike. Take care and see you the next one. Bye bye.